Summon allows you to move your Tesla into or out of tight parking spots from outside the car. Summon is only to be used on private property. You'll need to stay near your Tesla while you monitor and maintain control. To use Summon, first ensure that the feature is enabled from the touchscreen. Go to Controls, Autopilot, and Summon. Next, open the Tesla app, press Summon, and then press the forward or reverse button to initiate the command. You can stop Summon at any moment by releasing the button on your phone. Some Teslas allow Summon to be controlled using a key fob. Hold the center of the fob for 3 seconds until the car's hazard lights come on, and then press either the front or rear trunk button to summon your Tesla forwards and backwards respectively. You can stop Summon at any moment by releasing the button on your phone, pressing any button on the key fob, or by pressing a door handle. Summon also integrates with HomeLink and can automatically open and close your garage door and connect to gate systems and other radio frequency controlled devices. More details about Summon and other autopilot features can be found on your on-screen owner's manual.